good evening to one and all present here. Welcome to the 12th episode of CLC Conversations. On today's episode, we have with us another millennial who made the college proud, a pass out of the 2013 batch of the media department. CLC Conversations, as you all know, is a platform wherein millennials or people below the age of 35 are invited to share their hustle and success stories.
To the next few questions, as all you know that CLC, the Center for Language and Communication, Angan, the Center for Creative and Performing Art, and Uday, the Sports and Outreach is organizing the Chorus CLC takes over the talent hunt, and we are surely waiting for the amazing entry. So moving forward, any guesses who is the millennial achiever? Let's take a look at the videos to get a brief.
Yes, welcome, Kartikeya.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yeah, finally, you could actually make it, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I just came out and I just ran all the way to Flurys. There is a great Flurys over here. I just sat and I'm just using it. And I'm also having fun.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. So while the girls are trying to get ready with the things, you know. Yes, Shrija, are we on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I want you to have your video mode on.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Shrija. Hi.
So first question which I would like to ask is how was your experience during your campus, like during your studies?
To be honest, I was, that shy guy, that person who used to, has had dreams in his eyes, but I never used to speak much in the college. Neither I was a very big college celebrity, which we used to have, and neither I used to have a very big friend circle. They were friends, and they are still our friends. So that is it. I was a common guy, the college. But the experience with the college was better, like, something like which we experience at a home, like it's sweet, sour, something this kind of a relationship. So my relationship with the college has been sweet and sour both.
Okay, sir. Why did you choose media, like media science? Like, what was the
Okay.
What was the urge that made you choose that? Like, what influenced you?
Absolutely. So I belong to a middle class Indian family, and we know that during that time, like 10 years back, like 11 years back, what exactly was the scenario? Like these alternative forms of careers were, just sprouting out, and people were either going towards medical or they are going towards engineering, law, army. These were the few career options that we had. And I was preparing for my AI triple. Even I was also told to become an engineer. So I was like, I passed out my IC in 2009 and I was preparing for AI Triple in 2010. So one of my coaching center professors, I don't know what he saw in, what, God bless his soul, he succumbed to COVID this year. So he called me up and he showed me a full page ad of NSHM, and he said that you want to be an engineer, it's good. You can also become an engineer, but you won't be that big, or let's say you won't be, that you won't be loving your job at all. So you should, I think you should try for this stream as well. Make a backup as well for yourself. So I did that. I came and I, took out the form for the admissions that they were having at NSHM, and the rest is history. So even I also had no idea that why exactly I wanted to be in media, but within a month, I actually understood the, the nitty and gritties of media education and media world.
Okay, sir. So while being in this campus, what do you think influenced you? The faculty, the students, the ambience of the campus, what made you the person who you are today?
The ambience in the campus, or let's say the responsibilities that were given to me in the campus during the events, I think that shaped me into a very, much matured individual during that time. Like, be it scouting for sponsorships, or be it, handling up a management team of volunteers of about 50 people, and participating in the events, or when different colleges are coming to the campus, asking them to please participate in this event, please participate in that event. Running around the campus like from morning 9 till late night, like 9 o'clock. Blitz was 9 o'clock. Ma'am, we had like let's stress till 9 o'clock, right? Like we had the night at till 9 o'clock. So we used to run behind over there. Then these events used to come up, and exams and then friends. I think it's a very equal contribution. Like everything made up a very equal contribution to the person that I am.
So there is a saying that you did theater as well. So if given an option, which one would
Courtesy
you?
NSHM. Courtesy NSHM. A senior of mine, he spotted me up and he said that, would you like to do theater? I said, I don't know anything about theater. I've never been up on stage, like except for, getting up prizes or anything. I've never been up on stage. So he said that there's nothing like that. There's no, like, it's not that you have to, learn from your childhood or in your mother's womb. You can come and you can join it anytime. So from there, the entire journey started. Like we started up doing these amateur theater productions. We had Mr. Mahesh Dattani. I don't know whether we're allowed to say names or not, but we had Mr. Dattani's Seven Steps Around the Fire as our first production, not from the college, but as an individual. So over there, my work was loved. And then we used to have these small nukkad nataks, these street theater shows that used to happen in our college.
Yes, yes.
So from there we started up. I think the first one that we had was in 2011 Blitz, where we won the second prize. We competed against Army Institute of Management, and we came up second by just 1 mark. Just one.
That's great. That's great, actually. So, sir, I just wanted to ask, like we say that NSHM is where possibilities are unlimited, and they are truly unlimited over here. And it's a place which gives us exposure, grooms us for the future. So, how did your days back in NSHM helped you in where you are today?
As I told you, like be it the way the syllabus used to get divided, or the equal weightage that was used to given to every sphere of media. Like, see, when we hear the term media, we only think that it's only related to journalism, but it's not. It contains everything. It contains
Right.
advertising, contains public relations, it contains theater, as a matter of fact, film studies, then media entrepreneurship, and then journalism. Journalism is like the basics. It's the base of. So equal weightage was given to all of these branches, and then we understood, all of us, like we had a batch of huge 80 people. I don't know how many people take admissions now, but
Yes.
during that time, 80 people were there in the batch, and we used to sit at SHE 51, the new building, fifth floor. So we used to sit there, and over there, like as the time progressed, like first semester, second semester, third semester, we actually understood that maybe we all came up with media in our mind, maybe we all came up with journalism in mind, but these are the places where I am suited for, or he is suited for, or she is suited for. So this is how I think it shaped us. And from there, I think when we understood what is good for us and what is easy for us, we took off from there. There was no turning back.
So, sir, as you said that theater, like you started your journey here, and I have read about you, and I got this news that you started off with theater. So, what do you think? What's the difference between being in the theaters and being in the television world? How is it different from each other? How are they different?
Okay, so and like acting between theater and screen, it's like a lot of difference. There's a mammoth difference between theater and screen. Like when you're on stage acting and when you're screen acting, it's a very like it's a huge difference. Like people think that no, whatever I'm doing in stage, let me do it on screen. So it will be, I'll be touted as the best actor, or I'll be touted as the best actress. But no, it's not. When you're on theater, when you are on stage, the entire stage is your avenue. Like it's your kingdom. You have
Absolutely, absolutely.
entire space to rule on. Like you can go from stage left to stage right without even thinking about whether the lights will fall on you or not. But you have to keep that in mind that yes, whether the lights are falling on you or not. When it comes to, and you can be as loud as possible. See, there is this one, what to say, logistical, or let's say a disciplinary a rule that you should always speak very loudly when you're on stage. Like for example, if your mic goes off upstairs, which is hanging upstairs, what if your mic goes off?
Right.
Then how exactly your voice is going to reach till the last row? It's a very sad thing that nowadays children are like, I would call them children, like 17 or 18-year olds, I will call them children. So children nowadays, when they get up on stage, I see a label on their costume. I think that's a very sad state. But
Yes.
ठीक है, the world is changing. I became 30-year-old this year. So this is what stage is. And when you're acting in front of the screen, in front of the camera, you have to be very focused about your reactions. Like even if 10% of your expression is much, the camera is going to magnify it to 50%. Like camera always puts on 10 pounds. Camera will
Okay.
always put on 10 points. Like if you're,
So that saying is right then, that
yeah,
the camera adds extra pounds to you.
it is a lot. And then you have these foundations that you will go from here till here, and within that space only you're going to wave to that person over there, and then you have to keep the bag in your shoulder, and then then only you can move. So there's a very restrictive area. But once you are habituated, I think that is not a big problem. That doesn't add to any other problem.
Right, right. So, yeah, I guess that's not too much of professional questions. Moving on to your college days.
Yeah.
Soon we are going to have our orientations, new students are going to come in. And this time, being like for me, being somebody from the final year, I'm really excited to
You're
meet.
from the final year,
Yes,
like from the bachelor's or from the
from the
master's?
bachelors.
Okay, wow, wow.
So
So
being
years,
somebody from the final
good.
year, I'm excited because for my immediate juniors, we did not get the chance to meet them because of the pandemic. So how
So
was your
pandemic has,
orientation experience?
yeah, yeah. Pandemic has spoiled everything for you guys. I mean, no bunking of classes, no first smokes, no relationships, affairs, kisses. Nothing happened with you guys. Even not even a single fest. I think you guys have lost out a
No,
lot. Let me, sorry to be blunt.
fortunately, no.
Yes,
Fortunately, I was a part of the fest that happened. We were fortunate enough to experience YCOM as well as Login Astitva.
actually, as a matter of fact, our batch only started off YCOM. We only told that why shouldn't we, like our media department should have a YCOM, like we should have a fest. So after a lot of fighting, after a lot of argument, after a lot of what to say, what we call in Bangla, juto shelaite ke chundi part, we actually had a fest of our own. Not only YCOM, we had this huge event called YWalk. Over 5,000 people came to walk from Victoria Memorial till Gandhiji's statue. And
Okay.
we had these old vintage cars. We had these which we see in melas, huge long
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
people over. They were there, and even the Indian Army had its own support. Like they gave us the entire permission. Like they said that okay, fine, let's do it. And we had a lot of sponsors as well. So
That
in
was
2012,
wonderful.
yes, and I think in 2012 only, like we said that no, even if we are leaving for next year, like I was leaving in the 2013, we should leave something for the people who will be coming after us. So this happened. Why come? Because I don't know, Sochana ma'am, either she's listening or not. But Blitz was a huge success. And after that, every year there used to be a problem for IIT Kharagpur Fest. Used to be very much
Spring
passionate
Fest.
about Spring Fest. Used to be very much passionate about, but then complete permissions were a very big problem for from our department to no one else. So if we used to fight alone, it's like नहीं यार नहीं जा सकते अगर स्प्रिंग फेस्ट नहीं जा सकते अगर इसमें इतना प्रॉब्लम है तो let's make a fest of our own now. Why are we having problems? You won't imagine people who used to have stalls outside a college. We called them for sponsorships, and they came up to sponsor our first Wirecom. And one day before the show, in February, there was this huge storm, huge storm over there, and the entire, like, the stage had collapsed. The backdrop was absolutely shattered. It was tore down. We, like, the core team guys were called up around at 7 o'clock in the morning.
My
We
goodness.
started up rebuilding the stage again and again, and then from there we started up the entire fest. And those 3 days, media department had to we missed that plan. I don't know how YCOM happens now, but we were, like, we had a very humble beginning, but it was the best way, to be honest.
Yeah.
That was lovely, sir. So, due to this pandemic, where most of the students couldn't come down to the campus, they couldn't have a life on the campus. So, what is the view of yours? Like, what do you want to share with them? Like, how you actually enjoyed, and they're actually missing out. Even me, I'm from second year, and I couldn't enjoy any of the fest. Like, I'm feeling so bad that my entire college life is going to come to an end, but I won't be having that much of fun in the campus. So, what would you like to share that how your experience was and what people did at your time?
I would say only one thing. See, we have no idea how long this pandemic is going to run. It is being said, it is being said by the officials that the elephant has passed, but the tail still remains. Now we cannot lose off, or we cannot, pull down our guards and say, "Arey yaar, hame kuch nahi karne do." Get vaccinated first of all. Get vaccinated. Do not listen to these naysayers that no, there is nothing in the vaccination. No, please get vaccinated. After that, please maintain the protocols. After the immunity period has gone out, if you get the time, if we say, if India is declared or the world has been declared as COVID free, whatever time is left in campus, मजे कर भाई, मतलब जो करना है कर, क्लास बंक करनी है तेरे को क्लास बंक कर. our entire batch our entire batch bunked for one day. Entire batch, we had this unity for the first time in our batch. So in fifth semester, we decided that tomorrow no one is going to turn. And that day, that happened, and a coordinator, she called all of us, like, who were there in her eyes, who were the apple of her eyes, and she said, "Tumra kothay ache?" I'm like, "Kothay ache? Bari ache?" No one has come up from your batch. I'm like, how can I guarantee something of my batch? Like, I didn't come because I didn't want to come. That was the thing. I had, ma'am, I have my 75% attendance covered, so I have nothing to fear about. This is not done, Karthik. This is not done. ये वो करके बहुत problem होता है, but why should we come? As a matter of fact, I don't know whether I should, uh, promote this or not. We even had these interdepartmental clashes as well, like BBA versus BMS. Then
That
sometimes
still remains.
That still
Somehow it
remains.
still remains.
that still remains. That still remains. So BBA versus BMS,
Somehow.
or let's say the hostel versus the localite. So बहुत होता था, बहुत होता. तो अगर वो भी कर रहे हैं, मैं कुछ बोलूंगा नहीं. मैंने बोल दिया जो मुझे बोलना था इनडायरेक्टली. तो वो भी करना है तो. But uh, let's be very much careful about two things. Number one, your present actions should not, spoil your future. Like, just think that whatever I'm doing, whether it will put up any shame on my name or my parents' name or not. Because at the end of the day, guys, I would say it's an alternative form of career. It's an alternative study. It's an alternative branch of study, and it's very costly. And we only know, sometimes we even don't know how our parents are, financing our studies. So remember that. And then जो करना है कर यार. कॉलेज लाइफ में नहीं करोगे तो कब करोगे? 20 साल की उम्र थोड़ी ना करोगे. Or if the pandemic still doesn't crosses till the time you guys are, graduating, or yet, when you have the
Right.
master, when you get into masters, like after 1 year break, I took 1 year break and I worked in advertising. So after that, when the pandemic is ended and everything is finished and everything, you guys will surely be joining masters. 2 साल है, राज करो कैंपस पे. कैंपस तो है ये राज करने के लिए. Teachers, masters with the biggest advantage is that the teachers become your friends. Obviously, they are mentors, but then they become your friends. So that is one big
Yeah.
advantage.
Right. Right.
So I think I've said very nicely what needs to be done once the campus reopens. I think now Saujanya ma'am would have to,
Yes.
I think now Saujanya ma'am would have to beef up the security of the campus as well. कि ये क्या बोल के लड़का.
No, no. You are sharing some good memories from the college days as well.
Best memories, best memories.
Yeah. So, like, at what point in your life did you decide that you wanted to be an actor? What was that,
I would say,
situation which made you think that I'll have to be an actor or I want to be an actor?
I would say that I'm an accidental actor. when that theater show happened, and when for the first time in my life I saw more than 150, 200 people are clapping for me, I said, this is something very addictive. And then I didn't started up by, going to people or going to directors or going to my seniors and all. Like, kuch nahi. I just kept up with my studies. I just kept up with my small group of friends. I just kept up with what I loved the most doing. Theater was something. And then a friend of mine, then a senior of mine took me to Padatik Theater and he introduced me there. And from there, the entire practice started up. Uh, उसके बाद फिर मैं निकल पड़ा सफर अपना बनता गया. So that is
Okay.
what. Then
So,
then after graduation, like during graduation also I did two films, like very very small characters. I did junior artist parts. Like we used to stand up in the crowd and we used to get paid $50. I did that twice in my
okay.
life. Yeah, I used to stand up in front of the gate at 6 o'clock, and then the person used to come. During that time, in 2011, during that time, the person used to come and
Okay.
say, "Ha, tu me." And bas, hoye gala. So in the first day, I was selected. In the third day, also I was selected. But in between, like I stood there for 5 days. So 5 days I wasn't selected. I was selected only for 2 days, and I was given $50. So those $50 meant a lot to me. When I used to get selected, I was like, "यार, अब देख मैं बन गया महेश भट्ट का hero, अब मैं बनता ही हूँ." This used to take place, but then I stopped doing it because my studies were getting hampered. Even as a matter of fact, my professors called me up and they said that why aren't you coming to college? What exactly is the problem? So I said, this is the thing. I want to get into more into acting because this is something maybe unconsciously was in my brain all these years and I couldn't understand. So I wanted to do ठीक है सब कुछ करो but get your studies on.
पढ़ाई important है.
पढ़ाई important है. पढ़ाई graduation खत्म कर ले. उसके बाद जो करना हो. Like that was just silver line. They didn't say this in a very
Right.
nice way,
Absolutely.
but they said कि no, you should study, you should get your marks very good, and then अच्छा ठीक है बोलो ठीक है. But this was a silver lining. They wanted me to finish, like all of them. They wanted me to finish my graduation because somehow, according to them, I was good in studies. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So just as you said that, you waited there for 5 days, but you only got selected for 2 days.
Yeah.
So you kind of believe that, those failure days or those days that you don't get selected, they're very important to build yourself.
Rejections are the most important part of an actor's life. If you can't handle rejections, please leave acting. It's a very straightforward point. If you can't if you can't accept rejections, please leave. Everyone had to face rejections. Everyone. Michael Douglas had to face rejections. James McAvoy had to face rejections. Sorry, reduction. Amitabh Bachchan had to face failure. Shah Rukh Khan, right now, I won't say, but there was a time when he was also, facing rejections. We are getting news of Kartik Aaryan. He's being removed from films after films, but he's also facing rejections. Face rejections. Rejections are going to make you much more stronger as a person as well as an actor. उस समय बहुत खराब लगता है तो मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा वो एक दिन, but it doesn't matter because I have seen this. I have seen this that after the rejection period comes the bestest period of your life.
Absolutely. Absolutely, sir.
The only point is this is the one. Rejection अगर हजम हो रहा है छोड़ दो. Number one. Number two, select two things. You want fame or you want success. Fame will come up accidentally. If you want to put up fame, fame will come up accidentally. But it's just like that breezy air which comes from one window and then it passes to another. Fame is important, but it shouldn't be the only sole purpose of your acting career. Excellence and success is something that you need to strive for. Success will come up. It's like that big building that we make up years after years, years after years. But when it is ready, the entire world comes and sees. Victoria Memorial wasn't made in 2 days. Shahid Minar wasn't made in 2
Obviously.
days. Taj
Obviously.
Mahal wasn't made in 2 days. Lal Killa wasn't made in 2 days. Mysore Palace wasn't made in 2 days. They were built in years. But
Patience
we
is the
know,
key.
what happened to these newly made bridges that get finished in 6 months and 7 months, and then they आज हमने यहाँ देखा, आज एक ब्रिज गिर गया, नया नया ब्रिज, उद्घाटन के 1 घंटे बाद ब्रिज टूट गया. So this happens. So decide what you want, but don't make fame the only thing in your life. Fame should come up. Once you get, start getting successful, fame will come up. Work will come up to you. I started up being a junior artist in, I don't know what it was, whether it was a telefilm or whether it was a serial. I don't know what it was. But today, just now, people pay me for, going to Bombay. They sponsor my travel. They sponsor my accommodation. I get a grade A vanity man. The last project I did was with Abhinay Dev, the director who made Delhi Belly, Force 2, these films. So this is something that I want to tell to everyone.
So, do you think luck is important in this industry?
Sorry?
Luck is important in this industry.
Absolutely.
Having a good luck.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You have to be at the right time, at the right place.
So, did luck somehow favor you in your case?
Not always. Not always. Luck hasn't favored me all the time also, but I wouldn't say that I was the unlucky one. I shouldn't say that. I have been offered, like I'm just giving a very small example, like 5 years back, not 5 years back, in 2013. So I went to this studio near a cinema hall. I won't be taking names. So over there, the guard catches me and says that, "Where are you going?" "I'm going inside." "Oh, for what?" I said, "To scout for work." I said, "For under who?" I said, "Some director." I said, "No, no, no, चलो निकलो निकलो." And हाथ पाथ लेके ही भगा दिया मेरे को. In 2018, I have, shot in the same place, in the same studio, and the same guy came and switched on the AC and says, "Good morning, sir. Good morning, Dada. Good morning, Dada." So that is luck. You have to work for it. If you don't work for it, and if you think that नहीं मेरे पास तो बैठे बैठाए काम आ जाएगा, that is not going to happen. You should do your work. Then the karma will take care of everything. But ये अगर सोच लो कि
Dedication is important.
Absolutely. अगर उस समय अगर सोच लेता कि इसने मेरे को निकाल दिया को तो मैं छोड़, no, I should do my job. He is doing his job. He's getting paid for that job. Maybe every day he faces around 100 people like that. He didn't know. Maybe he faces 100 people like that every day.
Obviously.
And we know we Indians are so much sentimental that one person just climbed up the walls of Shah Rukh Khan's house in Mannat, and he just had a bath in a swimming pool. He didn't meet Shah Rukh Khan. When his security guard caught him and said, "क्या रे आपने क्या किया? आपके मतलब क्या ये?" बोले, "कुछ नहीं, मुझे उसके स्विमिंग पूल में खाली एक बार नहाना था और कुछ नहीं करना था. मुझे उससे भी मिलने की जरूरत नहीं." So we know what kind of people lunatic, like people are crazy about cinema and screen. So, as a matter of fact, he's facing every day 100 people, and if I come up and say, obviously he'll do his job. He will obviously drag me away.
Yes. So, do you think education is important for this industry? Like, you have to learn what you're doing, and like you need to have that knowledge for.
I think no, not I think. It is a very controversial question. Number one, why? Because if I say that no, you have to be very much, you should get your basics education done and then you should venture into the field of acting. A lot of actors, a lot of people are going to take offense that no, we didn't have had their education. I have my education, and how can you say that? If I say that no, you shouldn't be that much educated. The work teaches you everything. I think people are going to take offense in that. So I would ask only one thing as a counter to this question: how exactly are you going to write a line if you don't know the alphabets?
Of course, that is very much important.
That's it. We know how sensitive people have become. We know how sensitive people have become nowadays. So let's just. मेरे को इतना बता दो भाई, लाइन कैसे लिखोगे अगर वर्ड्स नहीं पता हो? वर्ड्स पता नहीं होगा तो लाइन.
Absolutely.
That is my question. That is my answer.
Right.
Wrapped up in a question.
Yeah, so we know that you have acted in Network, 22 Yards, and Mahalaya. I would like to ask you.
Detective Byomkesh Bakshi, Begum Jaan, Adda. Recently, I wrapped up for Lost. I did this amazing film, Indo-British collaborative film called The Darkness Visible. I played a very small cameo, very small cameo. After what I heard, and I decided that ठीक है चलो इसको एक cameo ही करके खत्म करते हैं. So I did that. Then हाँ उतने ही तो किया ना. हाँ उतने ही किया. अभी और याद नहीं आ रहा.
First of all, very big congratulations for what you have done and what you have achieved already. So, yeah, I just wanted to know that according to you, which is your best work as of now, as of yet?
As a
Your
person,
best performance.
my best performance. यार ये तो वो सवाल हो गया कि मतलब आप एक लेबर से नो ऑफेंस टू लेबर मतलब आप ये किसी कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर से पूछ रहे हो कि तुमने सबसे अच्छी बिल्डिंग कौन सी बना दी. वो तो बेचारा मतलब हक्का बक्का हो जाएगा. I don't know. I wouldn't say. See,
Okay,
I like all of them. I like all of them because
obviously.
that's my job at the end of
Right,
the day.
absolutely.
But I wouldn't say that I loved working in all of them. Sometimes we have to work in certain projects just for money. Let me be very frank. We have our kitchens, we have our families. Sometimes quality work is not available. What is available, and sometimes we don't know that what is that the thing that is getting offered to us. It's not a quality work. We don't
Right.
know because we don't know about the director's background. We don't know about the production's background. So when we come on the stage, when we have signed that agreement, when we come on the set, and when we see the first scene getting shot, तब पता चलता है कि तो फंस गए पूरी तरह से. But we can't back out at that time. For
Right.
people they don't know. उनको लगता है यार ये एक्टर ने इतना खराब काम क्यों किया. We don't know ना. पता नहीं थोड़ी ना चलता है. We have
Right.
to take risks sometimes.
तो मतलब
And
ऐसा
obviously,
कभी हुआ है कि when you started shooting, you thought कि ये फिल्म तो पक्का flop होगा. But then
पहली बॉल
it turned out.
पहली बॉल डायरेक्टर होता है बॉलर और एक्टर होता है बैट्समैन. पहली बॉल में मुझे पता चल जाता है कि क्या बंदा वो करने वाला है. जहां पे डायरेक्टर को खुद अपनी स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में नहीं पता होता, वो मुझे जब ज्ञान दे रहा होता है या दे रही होती है, मैं समझ जाता हूँ कि भैया तुम छोड़ो, मैं खुद तुम्हारा सीन डायरेक्ट कर दे रहा हूँ. दिस हैज हैपेंड. तो वही होता है. आई आई टेल द पर्सन की सर यहाँ पे ये जो सीन है, आई थिंक द वे ही स्पीकिंग टू मी, वुड यू थिंक दैट इट्स बेटर. नहीं, आई इवन व्हाट डू यू थिंक सर. आई सेड ठीक है तुम डायरेक्टर हो, तुम फिल्म बनाओ, मैं अपना सीन बनाता हूँ, ताकि इवन इफ पीपल वॉच दे विल रिमेंबर दैट हाँ ये लड़के ने अच्छी एक्टिंग. No one was good in that, but this guy was better. Sometimes not sometimes, हाँ sometimes ही लेकिन हुआ है. लाइक आप गए हैं और आपने देखा है कि डायरेक्टर 10 बजे का कॉल टाइम देके डायरेक्टर खुद 2 बजे आया है और 4 बजे तक वो मेकअप रूम में, आप ही के मेकअप रूम में सो रहा है और उसे मालूम नहीं है कि ये एक्टर मेरे फिल्म का एक पार्ट है. He has no idea.
Okay.
He has no idea. तो वो जब सीन लगे बोलता है एकाने दाओ तो कैमरा हाँ एकाने लागे तो अच्छा आपने हो भी ना कुछ हाँ अभी हो भी ना कुछ. ओह अच्छा 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 ठीक है अच्छा चलो है एक्शन डाल दिया. तो वो मेरा होता है कि बस इधर से निकलो, बस खा पी के आराम से निकलो.
Right.
This is what has happened. So, yeah.
So also I heard it from Shaujana ma'am recently that you have shot something with Saurav Ganguly.
Sorry.
You have shot something with Saurav Ganguly.
हाँ. Recently, yes.
So how was that experience? Because I believe being from Calcutta, Saurav Ganguly is like a person that we all admire.
Calcutta and Behala.
Right.
Calcutta and
Okay.
Behala. He lives in Behala. Even I also stay in Behala.
Okay.
So I was an ardent, Saurav Ganguly fan. Like I am a Saurav Ganguly and a Dravid fan, to be honest. And when he was taken out from, Indian team, I was way furious on Mr. Chappell. So what happened was that the day when he was inducted, we all went in front of Eden Gardens and we did all that, Abir Mekhe, and we all that Naach Fach Kure. So in 2011, I was offered a corporate film. Corporate film is something like a brand film. So over there, I was giving kidnap DSLR and you will be shooting with Saurav. That was my first year in acting, and I had no idea what is corporate film is, what is I have no idea. So मैं इतना excited था that I left my mobile phone in the taxi that I was coming. मैं जब वहाँ पहुंच गया तो my AD was like, अच्छा ঠিক আছে তুমি টাইমে চলে এসেছো কিন্তু তোমার ফোন করছি তুমি ফোন তুলছো না কেন? I was like, আরে আমি ফোনটা ছেড়ে চলে এসেছি। হ্যাঁ কোথায় ছেড়ে চলে এসেছো? আমি in taxi. And you are unaffected. Yeah, why? I'm shooting with Saurav Ganguly. I don't care about the world. दुनिया इधर से उधर हो जाए. I'm shooting with Saurav Ganguly. So when he came, the entire unit was very much excited that we have a player like Saurav Ganguly with us. So I was taking pictures of all of them. I borrowed the DSLR from a friend. So we were taking pictures. I was clicking pictures for the entire unit. But जब मेरा नंबर आया, कैमरे की बैटरी खत्म हो गई. So that was 2011, and then in 2021 when we shot, I was like, "Chalo, 10 साल बाद finally मौका मिला." We were in a lot of campaigns together, but it's like he's in another scene, I'm in another scene. So I was missing out those opportunities. Finally, this year that happened on my 10th year, when he came to me and he said, "We have shot together, right?" What an idea memory, yaar. Sheldon Cooper exists. I said, "Yeah, you remember that?" He said, "Ah," but he mistook me for someone else. But then when I showed him the picture, that's this is the picture. So what happened was people were taking pictures of him. Sometimes you will see people just going with going near the people, going near the celebrities and just standing like this and then taking
Yes.
the
हो गया मेरा टाइम आ गया ऐसा टाइप का.
नहीं और सेलिब्रिटी उनकी तरफ देख भी नहीं रहा है, बस खाली वो फ्रेम में बस खाली एक साथ आता है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है ना, ऐसे देख रहा तो आई शोड हिम द पिक्चर, ये सर ये देखो ये फोटो थी, पूरी यूनिट की हो गई थी, मेरी नहीं हो पाई. ओह, अब याद आया, I mistook you for someone else, but you have grown up a lot. I said, yeah, I have grown up. But then we all loved working with him, and he's a very, very cooperative guy, very, very cooperative guy. In the evening, a friend of mine who is very closely related to him and is a very close friend of mine, she did graduation with me only. She sends me this message in the evening, which was sent by him, that your friend is a very good actor. He is very good with expressions. That was like, chalo yaar, 10 साल की तपस्या finally खत्म हुई.
Right.
So, yeah, finally, like 10 years, I waited for this moment that whenever I'm getting, and I clicked a picture with him as well. I said, "Sir, finally, like, can we get a picture together now?" He said, we shot an act together with you and me. अभी भी तेरे को picture चाहिए? I said, "Sir." We clicked around like 4 or 5 pictures. So that was.
So your experience is like a lesson for all the students over here. They want to be like you, they want to achieve something like you. So what do you have to say about that?
My experience as an outsider who had no one in this industry, who had no family member in this industry, till now has been of a lot of lessons. There was no one to teach me. There was no one to tell me what is an OS stake. There was no one to tell me what is a wing. My first question to my director in my first play was when he told me that he will come from the second wing. So I asked him that what is a wing. So people started laughing at me. They said, "Hey, hasse wing jane na." So my director came to me and said that never be ashamed of asking questions. It's good that you don't know.
Absolutely.
Let the people laugh. Let the people laugh. So I ask a lot of questions when I'm there on the set. So my thing is till
Right.
now when I shot with Sushant Singh Rajput, God bless his soul, Sushant Singh Rajput, or be it Rajit Kapoor or Barun Sobti, or having my own individual scene at in Begum Jan, it's been really good till now. Like I never imagined these people, like I'll be seeing them eye to eye and I'll be like meeting them and I'll be chilling with them. I never thought that, but it happened. It's a very organic process. It just keeps on going up and up, and I'm a very secretive guy. मेरा ये है काम करने के लिए घर से निकलो, काम करो, काम करके वापस आओ. You will find me very less in these parties as well, very less. As a matter of fact, my friends in media are very angry. Karthik, you never tell anything about it. We don't know anything about it. यार क्या बताऊं मैं तुम्हें कि I'm going to the Darjeeling with my mother. Should that be the news? I don't think so. 40 people not getting paid by a single producer in a film or in a serial, that should be the news. Not me who's going to Darjeeling on my own paisa with my mother. That should be the क्या दुनिया क्या मतलब इधर उधर तो होगी नहीं चल नहीं रहा
So, sir, if I ask you, who is the director you want to work with, like in your recent, right now in your career, like who is the director you want to like really work with and have a good
like rework,
experience?
like again work with
Yes, again.
there are two directors. There are two directors with whom I would love to work again and again and again and again. One is Mr. Diwakar Banerjee and one is Mr. Shomik Sen. With Shomik Sen, I've done two projects. One is Mohalaya, and recently this web series released called Nakal. So over there, because both of these directors, they give you a lot of freedom when it comes to acting. They give you a lot of freedom. They will listen to you. They will put out your inputs, and then they will, like they let the actor play. But ऐसा भी नहीं कि मतलब पूरा ही खेल जाओ. मतलब there has to be a balance between doing this and doing this to the script. So these two directors. हाँ मतलब ज्यादा ये भी नहीं करना चाहिए और ज्यादा ये भी नहीं करना चाहिए स्क्रिप्ट. ये दो डायरेक्टर्स जानते हैं कि इन्हें क्या करवाना है एक्टर से और क्या नहीं करवाना है. एज अ मैटर ऑफ साथ ही साथ उसको वो भी देनी है, फ्रीडम भी देनी है. तो आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद मिस्टर दिवाकर बनर्जी एंड शोभिक सेन लाइक जितनी जब तक I have worked with a lot of people, but I think according to me, these two people are the best. मेरे लिए at least.
There is a comfort zone that you share with some people.
Yes. With Diwakar, I shared the comfort zone way back in 2018 when he told me not to shave or not to cut my hair for 4 months. That guy told me, "No, chulta lomba rakh di, go cut me." So when I went to the set, I had like this much of दाढ़ी and like इतना लंबा बाल था. He said, "चूल कटे था, दाढ़ी कटे था, कोप कटे था." And अरे, so why did you tell me to not cut my hair or do? He said, "You are getting a free part का haircut यार, जा करा ले अपना आराम से." And we had fun. Like we shot for 2 days and we had fun.
Right.
Shomik is a lovely person.
Right. So, somewhere that I have seen as well, you choose intellectual movies or art films more than commercial films. Why is it so?
कभी कभी पाप धोने पड़ते हैं ना. कभी कभी पाप करके आपको धोना पड़ता है. See, the thing is that no, I'm not against commercial cinema or I'm not a very pro intellectual cinema guy, but my taste in cinema has been very different. I have kind of avoided, you know, Golmaal 2, and I have always preferred a Parched or a Matan or a Bini Shukar in Bangla what we had right now. But I also know this, कि जब तक Golmaal 2 500 करोड़ नहीं कमाएगी, तब तक मसान के लिए 5 करोड़ नहीं मिलने वाला. मसान
absolutely true.
Absolutely, because see, मसान 5 करोड़ की पिक्चर है. मसान को अगर आप 50 करोड़ देके बनाओगे, it will lose its essence. मसान को 5 करोड़ फिल्म. उसको we can't say that Vicky Kaushal is coming on the boat with एकदम बिल्कुल पानी उछालता हुआ माँ गंगा and all that. We can't. So I kind of love those films. हाँ पैसे कम मिलते हैं हम जब करते हैं वो फिल्में. पैसे कम मिलते हैं obviously. But there is a creative satisfaction that yes चलो यार कुछ कर रहे हैं life.
Right.
But ठीक है, if I'm given a commercial film with a ठीक-ठाक character, I will do that. I have done commercial work, but then people remember your commercial work more than what your intellectual work has been done. Like I did this series called Duku Thaku 4 years back as a supporting lead, but people still remember me. Like after that, I have done Atta, I have done Begum Jan, I have done 22 Yards has released. After that, Mohalaya has released, Nakab has released. I did this television series for Star Jol Shah called Alokik Na Lokik, which was a very bold move by Bangla television industry. We did
very bold move.
It was a very big experiment that we had to do, and we invariably flopped. We invariably failed in that. But we kind of connected with an urban audience which actually understood the message of the show that it was giving. Couldn't connect with the village audience. But you know what? The rural audience, like we went to shoot in Shantiniketan, and we were staying in this hotel, and the owner from whom we used to buy biscuits and chips after the shoot happens, he used to ask that Dada apna shoot kemon cholche and all that. So when he heard the story, He said, দাদা ফাইনালি চলো কিছু একটা ভালো কাজ করতে যাচ্ছে টেলিভিশন, ওই রোজ রোজ ওই এক ঘে মার্কা দেখতে মানে আমরা বোর হয়ে গেছি। And then we understood that chalo finally we are doing something, but the TRP showed something else. Yeah, it's life, you have to try out. An online petition was also circulated to Star Jalsha Star and the production house that we need a season 2, we needed season 2. But yeah, sometimes things don't materialize. Something like what we saw in this television series called Powder was one of the best Hindi
Yes.
television series that I
Yes.
have ever encountered for. But ठीक है, वो भी नहीं चली. Mr. Bachchan did this series called Yudh under Anurag Kashyap's direction. वो भी नहीं चला. ठीक है, चलो
नहीं.
हम अपने आप को उसी कैटेगरी में रखते हैं, हम भी उसी कैटेगरी के हो गए. बड़ी बात हो गई, लेकिन नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बट ठीक है, तो यही होता है.
All the best for your future, sir. We wish you all the best and like very good luck.
All the best for your future as well. पास करो आराम से.
Thank you so much.
Any other
We
questions?
also wanted to say that as this is a complete package experience that we and all our audience is experiencing. So right at this moment, we are not going on Facebook Live, but we will put this up on YouTube very soon.
No problem. No problem. Just one thing.
Yes.
This year, like for the past 4 years, we have been shooting for Tata Tiscon's Engineers Day film,
Right.
and every year's film has been a huge success. Now it's a franchise, so we have shot for 4 like consecutive years.
Right.
So this year's film is up on the Facebook page. Please go watch. Like every year's film is
Sure.
up on the Facebook page as well as the YouTube page. Please go watch the film. बताओ कैसा लगता है? गाली देनी है, गाली दो.
We'll ask all our audience as well to go and watch this and comment how you liked it.
And be very much honest.
Yeah.
I've always
Sure.
preferred my audience to be honest. Like whenever the play ends, I go and ask my audience how exactly the play is.
Of
How
course,
is
sir.
Right.
What do you
And
think
we
that you
actually
want?
shared your ads with the students. We have
You have.
already shared.
Okay. Okay. चलो अच्छी बात है. अच्छी बात है. Good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So we will be waiting for another millennial achiever to join us in the next episode.
I don't call myself a millennial achiever. Just call myself like what? A person who's trying his level best. Work in progress. Just call me a millennial work in progress. I don't know what to call others.
Okay.
Millennial work in progress.
Okay. Yeah, so all the best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you
And
so much.
this would be Elima Basu signing off.
Thank you, Miss Elena Vasu. It has been a great pleasure talking to you.
This is Sridhar Sarkar signing.
Same
Thank you,
here.
Miss Elena. Ma'am. Thank you, both of you, ma'ams, that you conducted this interview. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for joining us. And we do hope that we get to converse really soon in the future again. And, you get to share your experiences, which would help our students.
पता नहीं.
No, sure, for sure. Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much
Thank
for
you.
today.
Thank you. Take care. Stay safe and do not listen to the vaccine naysayers. That's it.
Same to you, sir. Have a very nice evening.
Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.